All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about when token once again. You know, this token right here is gaining so much traction, and a lot of people want me to give you guys these continuous updates regarding this. So we're going to talk about exactly that. So if you guys are already enjoying these updates, do like the video and share if you have not already. But now let's take a further look as to what is happening with when token. But before we get into it, let's kind of take a brief look at what's happening within the market. So of course, remember today is the weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation across the board. But as far as the when token is concerned, it's absolutely killing it, hitting all-time highs after all-time highs. But the majority of the market is seeing a little bit of a minor retracement, and I obviously want to kind of get that clear. But let's take a further look at when token, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. But before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So as of recording this update, you can see the price of when token is currently sitting at 15.21, and it's even higher than this right now. If we give it a refresh live, let's hope that it gets updated. It's not being updated on CoinGecko, but when I pull out the charts, that's the exact price of what we should be looking at. But right now, you guys can see still about 3 zeros in front of the price, up 55% over the past 24 hours in both Bitcoin and USD comparative. And market cap, as of recording this update, is currently sitting above $160 million, with the 24-hour trading volume increasing at a significant rate, to be exact, around $40 million. And again, that is to be expected. A lot of hype revolving around when token. And let's kind of take a look at what are some news regarding that, and then I'm going to talk about the price itself. So you can see this for yourself. If you were eligible for the allocation, and again, speaking about the allocation, it's really, really, really important that you check your wallets, because we have about 24 hours left until this allocation claimability is available for the people that are eligible, because after I think in the next, you could say 24 hours, the airdrop is no longer going to be there. Even if you're eligible, those tokens are going to be burned. So you can see this for yourself. A single airdrop, as of recording this update, is currently sitting at $100, and it's honestly even higher than that, around $110. And again, that is beautiful to see, of course. But the main thing that I want you guys to be focusing on is this: nearly 60% of the wallets have claimed when token. Only 24 hours left to claim. Any unclaimed tokens will be burned. And this is really, really important, and this is gaining a lot of traction for the cryptocurrency markets. People are getting very, very excited because of this, because only 60%, this was posted about 7 hours ago, let's say 65%, that's still a significant unclaimed amount that is still not out there, that still not has been claimed. So it's really important for you to go check your wallets. Maybe you are eligible and you're missing out on a free $110, so do get that going. But what people are starting to say is that when token, if especially this claimability, when that deadline comes, people are getting excited that it's going to pump up even more based off of that news. And generally that is the case when we do see significant burns happening for coins that are unused, that are unclaimed. Usually that does bring the overall circulation and the total supply to the lower end. And speaking about the circulation supply, only 1 billion coins out there in circulation, and you can see this for yourself. We are going, I'm not sure if this is 1 billion, or please correct me if I'm wrong. I don't think this is 1 billion. This is way more than that. But anyways, you guys get the idea. The great thing is that all the coins are in circulating. There's not future unlocks that are going to happen. And on top of that, this massive burn, if this were to take place, I've been quite clear, even in my yesterday's update, that I could see when token, reaching a more upside, of course, because of the hype factor. And not only that, we're about to see the biggest Solana liquidity injection in the next 2 days, because of course the Jupiter airdrop is finally being launched. That's going to inject massive. We're talking about massive amounts of liquidity into the Solana ecosystem, and there will be people that are going to be looking into allocating their overall gains into test tokens and when token. And my personal projection again is that the test tokens that, remember, some people are 100% confused right now. This token, this when token, was not solely launched by the Jupiter team. They helped with that, but there was another team revolving around there. And this is where the beauty about mock Jupe, the narrative, just changes, in my opinion. And I think there's some sophisticated investors that see that are getting into mock Jupe right now. Again, zero utility at the end of the day. The developer who obviously launched these test tokens are, there's a saying that he says, send it to zero. We're taking it to zero because of course there's no utility behind it. And obviously the Solana diligence are bringing value to it by adding liquidity. And I think this is going to happen even more once this Jupiter exchange airdrop is live. This is going to inject more liquidity into these certain test tokens that were specifically launched by the developer himself. But what we're seeing happening with when token is a perfect example of FOMO. If you got in literally at the initial, as soon as it was launched, you are up right now. Literally, you can't make this up. You're up. Oh wow, sorry. See, this is absolutely insane. These numbers are a little inaccurate. When it was originally launched, it was launched at $20 million market cap, and you're up about, like, you could say 10x already. Easily, you're up 10x if you got in. 15 to 20 million was its initial launch, and some people are riding it since then. And I think this can hit even higher price levels because right now, of course, it's in price discovery mode. We know the significance of price discovery mode. There's no resistance, there's no level of support. Price can go up as high as it wants, and of course, when the demand is definitely there, this is a huge plus point, and we could see more exchanges coming in and start supporting when token. But it goes back to what I've said from the beginning. Yes, short term, definitely. Again, hear me out very carefully. This is just my own personal opinion. Meme coins at the end of the day are meme coins. We need to treat it as meme coins. But with that said, I still see more upside potential because of the overall hype factor, the Jupiter, massive amounts of liquidity that it's going to bring. And this could be one of the coins that benefits along with the test tokens. A lot of people are ignoring the test tokens right now, but I think those are going to start gaining a lot of traction sooner rather than later. So, but again, my own personal opinion. Meme coins should be treated like meme coins, very risky. The money that you have invested in meme coins, you should think that it's already lost at the end of the day. But that's just the way you need to be treating meme coins. But right now, looking great. Would not be surprised if this runs up even more, especially after this burn. But let me know down below what you guys think. I do think that this will, come and tackle such as Myro. Let me show you guys the Myro's market cap right now. So we're looking at Myro's market cap at 158. It's already surpassed Myro, so that's out of the way. Let's look at when token. That is the big one. Not when, I mean WIF. So sorry about that if I was saying that. So 333.4 million. And I can see, when token coming in reclaiming above this, sooner than a lot of people think. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal thoughts? Does it go over bonk in the long term? No, I don't see that happening. Longevity wise, I don't see bonk being taken over. Just look at what bonk is doing. Like, if you are in the crypto space and you realize what bonk is doing, you would realize that it's a meme coin that has done something that we have never seen before. But again, that's my own personal opinion. At the end of the day, let me know down below what you guys think, and please go claim your allocation if you have not done so already. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.